I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And we're going to be talking about pediatric growth charting. During this instructional video, we will be using two forms. This here is the growth chart that we will be using, as well as the well-child assessment, which is just like the SOAP charting just for pediatric patients.
You measure the baby in three parts: the length, the weight, and the head circumference. So we're going to measure the baby's length right now. You're going to want to remove the baby's clothes when you do measurement. That way we get more accurate results. So you're going to take the pen and you're going to mark on the parchment paper on the exam table right above the baby's head. And then you're going to move down here to the feet. And you're going to mark right at the baby's heel. You can now move the baby to the side and take the measuring tape here. And we're going to do it on the inches. Put it at the bottom of the line to the top line. So this baby is 19 inches. So after you find out the length of the baby, you're going to put it on the well-child assessment sheet, which is this one, right underneath length. 19. Okay. Now we're going to do the head circumference. And you're going to use the centimeter side, unlike the length where we use inches. And the reason that we do head circumference in babies instead of adults is because the baby's head is growing so much more rapidly as they're younger. So this is why we measure it. We're going to measure right here in the middle of the forehead, and we're going to go around the baby's head, making sure to support the head while we do this. And we're going to go around near the bottom. And then we're going to meet up here, and this baby has a 37 centimeter head circumference. So we're going to go ahead and mark that in the growth chart as well. Now we're going to take the baby's weight. So we're going to put the baby on the scale here and make sure that the head is secure. And then you're going to just move the weight until this is balanced. And that's the weight of the baby. So we're going to go back to the exam room. And we're going to mark here under weight. After you get the baby's growth charted on the well-child assessment, you're going to move over to the growth chart. And down in this little box, it states where the baby's last visit was charted. So the last chart was the baby's birth, which was in January, 3 months ago. So as you can see on these little dots on the chart, these here are the baby's births, the baby's birth growth charts. And here is the measurements for today's visit. Now it gets kind of confusing because you can't differentiate between the dots. So something that we decided would be beneficial is write the date next to the dots. So today is April 23rd. So we're going to write April 23rd next to the dot that we marked today. And as you can see, it's a lot clearer now to differentiate between where the baby's growth has gone. So from this chart, we can see that the baby's weight is average because it's within these lines. And over here, it tells you 95, 90, 75, 50, 25, 10, and 5. So the baby's weight is in the 75 percentile, which is pretty average. The baby's length here we can see is a little bit below average, so it's below the 5 percentile. And you can tell that by following the lines up to the percentages over here on the side. That's pretty much how you can determine the baby's growth status and how well they are growing. So after you mark that, you're going to want to make sure that you mark it in the chart as well. And that's pretty much it.
So that's pretty much how you do growth charting for pediatric patients. Do you have anything to add, Sarah?
No?
Okay. Well, it was fun. We'll see you later, class of 2014.
See you next year.
Bye.
Bye.
Shut up.
We don't have.
Can you put a curtain right there so she can concentrate? Thank you. Guys, shh.
Excuse me.
Video.
Record a video as well. So. Yeah, so shut your trap.
Wow.
Look, it's braided in the back.
That's so cute.
gotta record.
Like, so now we're gonna,
Oh, when you stand over here. Okay.
yeah,
So
that's
stand
all
over
you
here.
gotta do.
Okay, so stand over here.
But put her clothes back on then.
No, we're measuring her.
I know. Okay, wait.
It's fine.
So then all you're gonna say, hold on, but she has to be laying on the table when you say it, and then you're just gonna be like,
She doesn't need her clothes on.
you're doing the whole measuring part?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. Alright.